Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Today we're tackling a big question that comes up every tax season. Do you have to claim cash assistance on your taxes? It can be confusing because we're always told to report our income, but not all money you receive is considered income by the IRS. Let's get straight to the point. For most government cash assistance programs that are based on need, the answer is no, you do not have to claim it as taxable income. The IRS considers these payments to be for the general welfare. This means the money is given to you based on your financial need to help with basic living expenses, not as payment for services you provided. Think of programs like TANF, which stands for Temporary Assistance for Needy Families. That money is not taxable. The same goes for Supplemental Security Income, or SSI. If you receive SSI benefits, you do not report them on your tax return. This also applies to other need-based aid like SNAP food benefits, housing assistance, or Section 8, and energy assistance programs like LIHEAP. Now, here is where it gets very important to pay attention. Not all government payments are tax-free. The biggest one to know about is unemployment compensation. Unemployment benefits are almost always considered taxable income. If you received unemployment, you should get a form called a 1099-G, and you must report that income on your tax return. This is a common point of confusion. Unemployment is based on your prior work history, not strictly on need, which is why the IRS treats it differently. Another thing to consider is if your assistance is tied to a work requirement. Sometimes, payments from workfare programs can be considered taxable income for the work you performed, so you need to be careful with those. Also, this doesn't apply to money you get from other sources. If a friend gives you cash as a gift, that's not income for you. But if you win money at a casino or get paid for a side job in cash, that absolutely is taxable income. A good rule of thumb is to look for a tax form in the mail. If you receive a form like a 1099, it's a strong signal that the income needs to be reported. If you're receiving TANF or SSI, you won't get a tax form for it because it's not reportable income. But when in doubt, never just guess. The best place for official information is the IRS website, irs.gov. You can search for Publication 525, which covers taxable and non-taxable income. Or, if your situation is complex, it's always a good idea to talk to a qualified tax professional or use a trusted tax software that can guide you through these questions. We hope this clears things up for you and makes tax time a little less stressful. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more straightforward answers to your financial questions.